This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by the Totally Awesome team. This traditional floor plan home features rich hardwood floors offering warmth and elegance throughout the home, with the exception of the kitchen and bathrooms, which have durable luxury vinyl plank (LVP) flooring. The remodeled kitchen is a standout, boasting sleek shaker style cabinets, modern farmhouse style faucet, and SS appliances, all in 2024 perfect blend of style and practicality. The updated bathrooms are redesigned with contemporary vanities, LVP flooring, new tub and low-flow toilets. The new 2024 roof ensures peace of mind, while the largeyard provides ample space for outdoor activities and landscaping potential. Nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac, this home offers a serene and private setting, ideal for someone seeking a peaceful retreat. Just 2 exits off from the HRBT makes it perfect to commute to Nab or Little Creek in no time. October 9, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact the Totally Awesome team at 757-486-8800.